Hello again, and today we're making chocolate ice cream from scratch. Into the bowl goes 100 grams of dark chocolate. I've used 70% cocoa solids because this gives a better result. Chop it into little chunks or, just break it up. Pop it into the mixing bowl, 5 seconds, speed 8, and then scrape down the sides. Add cocoa powder, whole milk, cream, sugar, egg yolks, a touch of salt, and cook for 8 minutes at 90 degrees on speed 2. Basically, what we're doing is making a chocolate custard, which is the basis for all ice cream. It's only the flavourings that change, so you can have vanilla added to the custard to make vanilla ice cream, caramel for caramel, salt to make salted caramel. The options are endless. Once that's done, you need to pour it into a shallow container that's freezable. You can use aluminium, silicone, plastic. Cover it with cling film. Allow it to cool completely before freezing for about 10 hours. The joy, of course, is that there's no nasty chemicals going in here. You know exactly what's in it, and it's all good.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Oh, hot chocolate custard. And this will be 12 hours, I think, in the freezer.
Okay.
As you can tell, I'm here with my able assistant, Isabella. I'm finding the children being totally engaged here because they're getting out of schoolwork and, well, it's science. We put ours in the freezer overnight. I think it was about 12 hours, but it suggests 10, whatever. So here we have it. Here's the frozen block of chocolate ice cream turned out onto my board. Chop it into smallish pieces and pop it into the machine. I think we let ours relax for about 10 minutes in the fridge. And then we're going to churn it in the machine, half a mixture at a time. Okay, go. 6, all the way. 6. The reason Thermomix is so good at this is because it's got a 10,700 RPM, that's revolutions per minute, which is equivalent to the same as a Boeing 777 jet engine. I'm using the spatula that comes with Thermomix, which has a collar to stop it touching the blades, and this helps keep everything in.
Actually, really looks good.
Turn it to speed 14. That's fix it. Yeah. It's quieter than that. Oh, you're excited?
Yeah.
Okay, give it a go.
Oh, that's the best chocolate I've ever tasted.
So after the second half has gone in, we have perfectly churned ice cream, and I've definitely got an advocate here. I'm Sara Sanders, thank you for watching, and as ever, get in touch if you need to know more.